So in true Mallee style, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That doesn't sound good. I can't run off, I'm on a long exposure. Photography, of course, comes first. I don't know what to say now. That's completely messed everything up. Right, well, the locals seem to feel pretty safe. And we're gonna go and enter the woods. And straight away, there's an amazing tree right in front of me. Let's risk it. If I get shot, it'll make a cracking vlog. This place is perfect if there's mist. Perfect. So many stunning trees. Wow. Look at this. The problem is now we're heading to sunset and we're getting quite strong low light. I've just looked through a gap here at these trees in front of me and there's light just touching the sides. Oh, what a sight. It's like a dance of tuning forks. Look at this. See, the whole point of this video was to come out, have a drive round and see what you could find. I didn't expect this. Wow. These trees are magnificent. On the sign coming, well, there wasn't even a sign, it was just a little round green marker said Woodland Trust. Now, I've been looking on the Woodland Trust and didn't see this locally come up, but it must be there. So I think tonight was more for a photography exercise, stimulus. I'm just trying, because I was supposed to be going, oh, look at that. Tonight was a stimulus for the mind, an exercise for the photography mind. Just park, just drive round, park up, get a shot, move on. When you come somewhere like this, does it matter if the vlog changes? What do you think, guys? If you're expecting something and then we get somewhere like this, stick with me, because we've not even got to the top yet and it's looking good. I've just stumbled across this little scene where I've got a moss covered dead log foreground with ferns taking you in. Now, it doesn't quite point to this scene here, and this scene is He's just crying out for mist and atmosphere. So this is a comeback too, because I have a feeling this shot could be magic. This little scene here has had light thrown on it from the moment I put my bag down. You can just see it there now. It's dropping off a bit now. It's a bit of cloud. The gun is still shooting. It's the farmer in the next field, I hope. Just in the depths of these two trees here that are kind of taking you in, and the path, I think I've got a good shot. Oh wow, just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Four young lads skinning up. Fucked me up, that has. I didn't have any. Do you think I am? It's incredible here. Really is beautiful. I've not done much B-roll, but I don't care. We shall be coming back here about 4 in the morning. Why, it's so close to me. I've more chance of hitting that mist. After seeing all the scenes in the Lake District lately, well, I can't help but think if you're not living local there, you've got to be sleeping on a fell, and we can't do that at the moment. So it's a quick dash to this local spot. Totally blown away. Right, let's get back on schedule. Let's hit the long exposures. Part 2, a different woodland. So last night you watched me mooching around Billinge. We're still doing the driving round local, and I've parked up at a familiar woodland. Familiar to me because I spent a lot of my youth here. Yeah, you're probably thinking, this guy spent a lot of his youth in woods. I did. I love nature then, as I still love nature now. So come on. Let's go and have a look in this one. So I'm going to do something that I don't normally do, which is really talk you through a composition. What's funny, I've just walked into this woodland. I know it quite well, and I knew about these trees the moment I was stepping in. So it didn't take long to find a composition. Now we've got beech and oak mixed, yeah, and in the foreground, and then in the distance we've got a really twisty, beautiful tree, and I'm using these two trees to frame the scene. But we've got these little saplings again, like we had in Billinge, just growing round and either side. Come and look here. There you go. These two trees here and the one down the middle are what we're looking at. the texture and the detail. But what we have got is this path leading us all the way through the scene. Now the light's not great. Again, in woodland terms we need separation, but for me right now the separation is being made by the depth and distance between the two trees in the foreground, the path leading you through, and it's just beautiful. We've got a bit of light above burning out. You can see those two trees and the one in the background are giving us some layering, so I think this shot could work quite well. I love it here. I know it quite well, like I say. I know it because I spent a long time walking through here, and back when I had a dog. Don't worry folks, I'm not getting a dog. But even down here, see, we've got a drop down, if you look, into the brook and the marshland. Takes you up the other side to where there's another series of trees, much younger. This is old growth woodland, the ancient part. I don't know if you can see, but as you get through there's even more of these huge beech trees and oak trees mixed together. We're talking 150, 200 years. I'll pop this shot up now and you can have a look, and basically this will be a place to come back to again and again. So I hope you like it, and let's crack on. Of beech trees in this part of the woodland is magnificent. I'm looking at one now that's all twisting and turning. Come on, there's no shot to be had. A little, again, we tend to say this about mist and fog, but I think if it's a beautiful looking tree, it's worth investigating. Don't just go, oh, it's not the right conditions. This little gathering, if you like, of what look like argumentative, tormented tree people. And there's a stunning, look at that, stunning little collection there. But these beech trees, look at this. Incredible thickness and age of them, huge, and there's an oak tree here that it's a sight to behold. Look at that. So we've come full circle past the old pond that you've already seen if you watch my previous videos. Fair walk, and I've still got to get back yet, but I've just stumbled upon an area that again I frequented many years ago, and it is filled with all these crazy oak trees. No one walks through it, it is untouched. Beautiful. Look at this, just fantastic. I'm on a path that takes you through, looks like it's been trodden a little bit lately. Oh, just wonderful. Look at this little character. Look at the curls on that. I'll pop these a million images at the end. Wow, what a day. So from Billings Hill to the ancient woodlands. I'm sure we will be back again. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks so much for watching, and all the comments blow me away. keep watching, keep tuning in. If you like what you've seen, hit subscribe. And if you want to see more, hit the notification bell. And well, there's only one thing left to say, and that's Woodland. Beautiful. Sithee.